Global equity markets have effectively moved sideways over the past 24 hours. Some of the largest corporates from around the world have updated their latest estimates for the current financial year, and these have missed expectations. This has done little to alleviate the concerns of some investors that have been developing over the past couple of weeks. In a separate report out of the US, it is estimated that the total value of US homes has fallen by 1.7 trillion US dollars over the past 12 months. This takes the total decline since 2006 up to 9 trillion US dollars. It is also estimated that 23% of US homes are now in negative equity territory. This is a big problem for the US economy and isn't likely to go away anytime soon. Currencies have fallen against the US dollar over the past day, and the Kiwi dollar is now trading at 74.80 against the US dollar on Friday morning. The New Zealand dollar fell about half a cent against the US dollar on Thursday morning, immediately following the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's announcement on the official cash rate. While it wasn't any surprise that the cash rate was unchanged and is left at 3%, some of the comments made in the announcement were a bit of a surprise to the market. The Reserve Bank has indicated that they do see a fairly soft economic outlook in the short term for the New Zealand economy. The impacts of the earthquake are going to have an effect over the next few months. For this reason, they aren't expecting to see a need to increase interest rates anytime soon. For this reason, we aren't expecting to see an increase in the cash rate until the middle part of 2011, and this would mean that short-term interest rates should stay low for the next 6 months. Global wheat markets have been on the rise over the past couple of weeks. Prices did hit a 2-year high through the early part of December, and at this point they were well over $8 per bushel. Wheat markets have been through some turmoil right through 2010. Production has been impacted by dry weather through the Northern Hemisphere through their summer months and the export ban particularly coming out of Russia. Most markets have been expecting a good supplies to come out of the Southern Hemisphere. However, heavy rains out of Australia over the past couple of months are starting to ruin their crop, and production is likely to be much more down than previously thought. This will have an impact on the global market, and this is a reason why we have seen prices increasing over the past couple of weeks. This should be mildly positive for the New Zealand grain market. However, we aren't expecting to see prices to get too out of control just yet.